Yes, people, what's going on? So I'm just exploring this abandoned school, and I saw this on the way in. I thought I'd check it out before I leave, and inside is a whole abandoned tunnel system that's been sealed off, which is an insane find. I was not expecting this today, and it's not small either. I can walk in here quite comfortably. And it's big, but this was built a long time ago. Looks like something might have been sealed off there. But what a cool find. How cool is that? There's a ladder that goes somewhere. I'm guessing that leads up either into the building or into the playground. That's crazy. Who would have thought? Look how that chain rusted away. But yeah, I did not think this would be underneath a school. Yeah, an abandoned school, but still, regardless, I did not think I'd be finding this. Look at them hatches as well. That's wicked. Oh, the cobwebs. They're everywhere. It's massive. Like really big. Wow, look at that. So this would have been another entrance. Now I can't give you much history on the place because I didn't even know it existed. But I'm going to do a bit of research, and if I did find anything, it will be in the description of this video. But what a cool find. I wonder what that would have been. Look, it's got wheels on it, but it's so corroded. Any ideas? Wow, look at this. This looks like it would have been an old buggy. Yeah, definitely the four-wheeler buggies. That's just corroded away over the years. But there's definitely some interesting history behind this. So the school opened in 1995. Now whether it's part of that or whether this was built before, I'm guessing by the looks of all of this, this was built before as some sort of shelter maybe. But I can't be sure. Like I say, if I do find any history, it will be in the description of this video. And make sure you go drop Kai Urban.xplores a sub as well. But yeah, what a cool find. Look how old these chairs are as well. They're not mega old because they're the hardened plastic, but maybe they used it as some sort of storage.
Must have been water.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I did not know this was here though. But yeah, what a cool discovery. So yeah, if you need somewhere to hide and you get caught exploring this abandoned school, pop yourself in there. I don't think they're going to be going in there after you. They might send the dog in, but that's probably about it. But yeah, if you want to watch the video of me and Kai exploring this abandoned school, it'll be in the description of this. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.